to the channel. Today you will see one more day of bad day for the Nifty to come down. Today is almost 100 point down. So every expiry, before expiry, the penultimate day or the one day before, the index falls 100 points is a normal thing. So today also the same thing happened here. So it fell off 100 points and it has slightly recovered from there. But the one thing has to be noted is it has fallen the support level of 15,726 again. So that is getting into the bearish zone again. Okay, we'll see how the market can trade tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So today it was a very bad day for the Nifty, for the investors who have bought the index and who have short sold the index. They were profitable. So how did it happen? As everybody and every website was mentioning that 15,915 and above, the same thing today also happened. 15,915 has not broken out, and even 15,900 also it has not touched up. Even in spite of opening positively, the index was not able to sustain higher due to most of the Asian markets were down today. So that was one of the main reasons. The Hang Seng market were continuously falling for the past 1 week. So our markets will always depend on the other markets to perform. So it never traded on its own. It always, most of the time, it followed Hang Seng market. So the Hang Seng market for the past 1 week it has not gone up. And that is one of the reasons why Indian markets have not gone up, because of the Hang Seng market. Whenever the Hang Seng market in next 2 or 3 days, if it goes up, the Indian markets will also go up. So we have to wait for the Hang Seng market to perform, that is to go up, in order for our index to move up. So that is the critical thing for the Indian markets. It never trades on its own. It always follows some other markets. So that is the base of the Indian market system for the past 10 years. And moreover, we will also see how the FIs have bought or sold today. So let's see how the FIs have acted today. Let us go into the NSE website, going for FI and trading activity. See, FIs have sold for 1,459 crores, and the DAs have tried to compete equally, but they bought for 729 crores. Still, the half of stage were left behind by the domestic investors, and making overall selling of more than 700 crores for the index and also for the stocks. So FIs are continuously selling for the past 2 months, and the DIs were continuously buying for the past 2 months. But still, the market is not able to move up or move down on either of the direction between 15,600 to 15,900. So the same thing will happen again tomorrow also, if there is no movement above 15,915, or once again if 15,578 is broken down, then there are a lot of selling will emerge from there, and our Indian markets will also emerge as a Hang Seng market, and it might even touch 15,000 within August 15 or like that. Okay, but the scenario is very less for that, because the bank index is still has to fill that gap which was made on 16th of July. So that gap should be filled by the Bank Nifty, that is around 35,675. So before making any further down, that gap will be filled by Bank Nifty. So let us also look at Bank Nifty today. So today Bank Nifty was down. See, this is a gap 35,675 which has to be filled in 1 or 2 days. So by the Bank Nifty above 35,186 for the target of 35,675. So the selling is very tough. You have to sell the bank index only below 34,400. So that will not be happening very quickly, but there are chances, but the chances of 80% moving up is very much higher. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.